Hi, everyone. My name is Tony Wilson. I'm the support operations manager here at Aktion. I've been in the IT world for about 20 years, 12 of them with Aktion. I started out as a field network engineer living in the Washington, D.C. area. After a few years, they asked me to come out here. I was a network operations center manager for a while, and now I'm the support operations manager overseeing the operations of Aktion. So late last year, we did a restructure of our support operations with the one goal is to enhance the level of support that we provide to all our customers. So part of this effort, we created two teams to streamline the case handling and improve our response times. So we have our level one team who mans the front line. They're responsible for fielding all the calls, monitoring the emails, and seeing all the support requests that come in. So they'll quickly triage all those incoming issues and resolve any technical issues that they can. And then we do have our level two team. They're more focused on application related issues. They have a lot of accounting experience, understand business processes and programming. So to ensure the efficiency and accountability of each team, we promoted a couple people and they're managing support leads. They kind of oversee each team. They make sure that issues are resolved. They're escalated quickly. They'll do everything they can to keep you updated on the status of each request. So part of that restructure, we extended our support hours. Our technical support hours used to always be Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. Eastern time. We have extended that from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. So it's great news for our West Coast customers. I know sometimes you didn't get the support you needed. Now all that is being covered. Our application support mainly is still 8 to 5. Our fax and CSD are still covered from all the way to 8 p.m. Now there's three ways for anyone to reach out to us if you need help. We do have a customer support portal. If you go out to support.aktion.com, from the portal, you can open tickets, close tickets, just check on the status of your tickets. You can even update your ticket from there if you want to put in more information, and we're notified when that happens. That is something we're probably going to cover in another webinar another time. We'll do a deeper dive of our customer portal. Now we do have an email address as well. This is what most people use to get us. This is email support. Email support at aktion.com. That'll automatically generate a ticket for us. We're going to see that, quickly get that assigned, and call you guys back. And then, of course, we have the phone. So like I mentioned before, our level one team monitors the phones, answers all your calls. But why call us? So a little behind the scenes look. When you call us, every support engineer's phones rings at the same time. It's rare anyone's going to be on the phone, that everyone's going to be on the phone at the same time. So you're going to get a live person. And our goal is to resolve 50% of all inbound calls right away. So if that issue comes in, 50% of them, we're going to get closed immediately. Now, our support is based here in North America. We have our support people are in the US or in Canada. Now, we don't plan on moving any of our support abroad. Now, we understand that email is the main form of business communications. We get a ton of them. We understand you get a ton of them. So there might be a slight delay if you email us. But so giving us a call, you're kind of cutting the line. You're getting right to the front. You're getting someone on the phone. We can start working on the issue immediately. Now, we do have a hosting status page, and this is mainly for our hosted customers. So for the people out there that don't realize that we have data centers, we have a data center in Ohio, we have a data center in North Carolina, and we host hundreds of customer workloads here. Different applications, Sage, Infor, Acumatica, Deltek, and there's other applications that we host hundreds of workloads. We have a status page out here. So if there is any issues, any connection issues, this is the best place for you to go and start. We keep this updated in live time. So if there are any issues, we keep all the information out here so you're aware of what's going on. But obviously, give us a call if you have any connection issues. We can help you guys out or fill you in what's going on. I wanted to set a few expectations. First, our response times. If you guys call us, hey, you've cut the line, like I said, and you'll be able to start getting help immediately. If you email us, and a lot of times, certain things aren't urgent. So if you email us, we'll get to you probably within an hour, no more than 4 hours. I want to kind of distinguish the difference between a response time and resolution. Response time, we'll answer within an hour, but resolution time, our goal is to get everything closed within 48 hours. We exceed that a lot. I mean, we'll close things within 15 minutes, within an hour, but no more than 48 hours. We're going to make sure that ticket is closed. Now, if it's an emergency, those are like system outages or some kind of payroll issues. So one of the things I like to kind of tell people when it's an emergency, call us. If you had an emergency and you wouldn't email 911, you'd pick up the phone and call them. And you'd get a live person, they'll talk you through an issue, help you out, and that's the same thing here. If it's urgent, please give us a call. You're going to get someone live on the phone. We'll be able to start troubleshooting issues immediately. And some best practices. This is kind of more for customers, for you guys. If you guys reach out to us, email, phone call, doesn't really matter. Just provide as much details as possible. Certain things to kind of think about is like, how many people are affected by this issue? Is it just you or is it everyone? Is there any error messages that you got? Could you provide that to us? Maybe take some screenshots. What steps were taken that caused the issue possibly? And were there any recent changes? There's times where like your machine might applied Windows updates on Friday. Now it's not working on Monday morning. If you know those updates were applied, please let us know. The more information you can give us, it's easier for us to troubleshoot those issues and help you guys out. With that, I'll pass that back to Claire.
Yeah, so thank you for attending today. As a reward for attending, we're going to be picking 3 people from the attendee list that'll get a signed copy of our Aktion Support Hours document. So it'll be signed from the Mommy team, which is our headquarters. So pretty exciting stuff. We'll get that sorted at the end of this call, but at this point we're going to go through to the live Q&A. So if you have any questions, please drop them into the Q&A box and we will get some of them answered. All right. And the first one that we're going to push to the slide area is, do you have a PDF or web page where I can find all the ways to contact you for support?
Yes. If you go out to our website, aktion.com, in the top right corner of our website, you'll see customer support. Click there. That'll give you all our customer support information. You'll see all our contact methods, just what we'll need to help you guys out. So that's the best place to go. Our information's in one spot there. So go to aktion.com. The customer support link is in the top right corner.
Great. Should I have our staff reach out to you directly or have them filter their issues through one person?
Reach out to our support. If you go to support, if you email support@aktion.com or give us a call, that is the quickest way you're going to get help. There's multiple engineers sitting there, and their purpose is to help you guys immediately. If you're reaching out to one person, you're reaching out to me, maybe your sales rep directly, there might be a delay. A lot of times we're in meetings, we're already helping another customer. But if you're going to support, there's multiple people sitting there ready to help you. So that's the best and fastest way to get some kind of response to any help you need. Any other questions?
New one on there is, should I reach out to my engineer first or go to the NOC with the ticket first?
You would want to go to the NOC. Like I mentioned, since there's multiple people, the likelihood of you getting a response quicker is much higher. A lot of our engineers are booked up. They're helping a number of customers. So with the knock, email support@aktion.com or give us a call.
I also just pushed the link to the customer support page on Aktion, so that is the direct link that'll take you to our support portal.